Welcome to our unique journey through the world of stylish woodcraft decor. Wood has an innate charm that can elevate any space, making it feel warm and inviting. From rustic elegance to modern minimalist designs, the versatility of wood offers endless possibilities for personalizing your home. In this video, we'll explore a variety of creative ideas that showcase the beauty and functionality of woodcraft decor. Whether you're a seasoned DIY enthusiast or just starting your decorating journey, there's something for everyone. Stay tuned until the end of the video for a wealth of inspiration that can transform your living spaces. If you love what you see, don't forget to subscribe, like, and share. Your support helps us continue to bring you more incredible content. Let's dive in and discover how it can enhance your decor. Transform your cherished memories into stunning art pieces with handcrafted wooden picture frames. These frames come in various styles, from ornate carvings to simple, minimalist designs, and can be stained or painted to match your decor. Creating a gallery wall with these frames allows you to showcase family photos, artwork, or prints that resonate with you, making your space feel personalized and inviting. A stylish wooden bowl placed on a dining table or coffee table can act as an eye-catching centerpiece. Whether you choose a large, sculptural bowl or a set of smaller ones, wood adds a natural and organic element. These bowls can serve multiple purposes, from holding fruit to displaying decorative objects or even as standalone art pieces that draw the eye. Add a personal touch to your home with carved wooden signs. These can be custom-made with family names, inspiring quotes, or directional signs for various rooms. The rustic appeal of the wood combined with the charm of carved lettering makes these signs not just decorative but also functional, guiding guests and family members through your home. Consider adorning your walls with wooden wall art to create a striking visual impact. This could include geometric patterns, abstract shapes, or nature-inspired designs. Such art pieces can be left in their natural wood state for an earthy feel or painted in vibrant colors to make a bold statement. The dimensionality of wood adds depth to your wall decor, making it stand out. Incorporate wooden accents into your furniture for a stylish touch. Whether it's a coffee table with a live edge, wooden dining chairs, or an accent table, integrating wood pieces adds warmth and texture to your spaces. Choosing pieces with different wood grains and finishes can create a visually appealing contrast, enhancing the overall design. Candlelight can transform your home into a warm, inviting space, and rustic wood candle holders can enhance that atmosphere. These holders can vary in style from chunky, log-like pieces to slender, carved accents. Arranging them on a dining table or mantel can evoke a cozy ambience, perfect for intimate gatherings or quiet evenings at home. Bring the outdoors inside with wooden planters that showcase your favorite plants. Choose from hanging planters, tabletop arrangements, or even vertical garden panels made of wood. The natural textures of the wood complement the greenery, creating a serene and refreshing atmosphere that promotes a connection with nature. Functional and decorative, wooden coasters and serving boards are excellent additions to your home. They not only protect your surfaces, but also add a touch of elegance to any dining setup. Opt for unique shapes and designs that can double as serving platters during gatherings, showcasing your culinary skills and style. Decorative wooden boxes are versatile accents that can enhance your decor while providing practical storage solutions. Use them to store items like remote controls, craft supplies, or personal treasures. Choose boxes with intricate carvings or simple designs that align with your aesthetic, placing them on shelves or tables for added texture and interest. Incorporating these stylish woodcraft decor ideas into your home can transform your space into a warm and inviting haven, reflecting your personality and style. The beauty of wood lies in its versatility, allowing you to blend traditional and contemporary elements seamlessly, making your home uniquely yours. Thank you for watching our video on stylish woodcraft decor ideas. We hope you found inspiration and tips that will help you elevate your home with the natural beauty of wood. Your support means the world to us, and we appreciate you taking the time to explore these creative concepts. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share with friends who might also enjoy enhancing their spaces. We look forward to bringing you more exciting content in the future. Decorative wooden boxes are versatile accents that can enhance your decor while providing practical storage solutions. Use them to store items like remote controls, craft supplies, or personal treasures. Choose boxes with intricate carvings or simple designs that align with your aesthetic, placing them on shelves or tables for added texture and interest. Woodcraft decor not only enhances the aesthetic of your home, but also fosters a sense of warmth and intimacy. Each piece tells a story, whether it's through the history of the wood itself or the memories it holds. By incorporating these stylish ideas into your decor, you can create inviting spaces that reflect your personal style and your love for nature. As you consider these decor suggestions, remember that woodcraft is all about creativity and self-expression. Mix and match different elements to curate a look that is uniquely yours. Whether you embrace a rustic theme or opt for a more contemporary feel, wood can play a central role in shaping the ambience of your home. Thank you for watching our video on stylish woodcraft decor ideas. We hope you found inspiration and tips that will help you elevate your home with the natural beauty of wood. Your support means the world to us, and we appreciate you taking the time to explore these creative concepts. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share with friends who might also enjoy enhancing their spaces. We look forward to bringing you more exciting content in the future.